Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Keeper. In today's video, I want to show you a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Keeper has completed on the weekly time frame, and we will also take a look at this down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. As in my previous video, I was telling you that we have a very strong support here. Before the breakout, we tested the support. Let me just show you this support that we had at $577. And when I shared, by the way, this chart with my members at the Patreon, this was a complete trade plan when we were having a breakout from this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame. And our first target was $1,342, and the second target was $1,940. And you can see after the previous drop, KP3R completed this big bullish setup, bullish reversal setup. And now after this recent drop, it has completed a harmonic bullish reversal setup. And I will definitely share the targets for this setup with you as well. Now, we can see that this was our recent swing low before the breakout at $577, and previously it had been working as a nice resistance here and a support here as well. Therefore, I decided to set this level as the stop loss. Now, if I play the chart, then you can see that the price line rallied very well. That was, by the way, more than 140% rally, and rallied up to $1,934, very close to the final target. And move down here, we had some support, but after a small rally, a small move to the upside, the price line finally broke it down here. And after breaking down, now we are above another support that we have. Let me just show you. This support is at $315. This is, by the way, the daily time frame chart. And you can see previously it has been working as a nice support here, and a resistance here, resistance here. Therefore, again, it can work as a nice support. And if the price line breaks down the support, then our next immediate support will be here at $268. And it has been working as a nice support here and here as well, and here as well. And here it worked as a resistance, resistance, and support and resistance. Therefore, this zone is very important from $315 to $268. Now, if we take a look at this very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that the KP3R has completed on the weekly time frame chart, this is a very big bullish garland pattern, and our potential reversal zone, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this garland, starts from $653, goes to $268. And right now we are very close to the end of the buying zone, and the sell targets are from $1,176, and it goes to $1,764. So this trade setup has a potential to produce more than 500% profits. And for the safer side, because right now we are above 30% above this maximum extent of the buying zone, that is also the stop loss as well. And in order to decrease this loss ratio or risk factor, we can wait for the breakout of this resistance of the down channel that has been formed on this daily time frame. Right now, we have broken out the resistance here, and I think it can be a fake out to the downside, because if we switch to the smaller time frame here on the 4-hourly time frame, then price line is struggling to re-enter the channel. And if we switch to the hourly time frame, then we have entered the channel, and right now it is testing this previous resistance, because it was basically the channel support, and now it is working as a resistance. And on the hourly time frame, it is again testing this level as a support. And for example, if we will be able to re-enter the channel at least on the 4-hourly time frame, then I'm expecting that we can soon rally to the resistance that will be here approximately $470 or $78, and then it can make another attempt to break out the resistance of the channel. You can see that it has been testing the resistance so many times, more than the support, and that was a signal that the price line will break out the resistance. But we have broken down the support. right now we can hope that it can move back again to re-enter the channel. Now, after breaking out this above resistance, this resistance of the channel, I think that will be the best entry for to enter this trade of KP3R, and the target for this channel can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $1,260. And if we want the target for this big wedge, this big harmonic bullish reversal Gardley move, that starts from $1,176 and goes to $1,764. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.